with us. So welcome. We're having an interesting section today. Topic is the topic is crypto versus forex. What's the difference, and which should I learn? Crypto versus forex. What's the difference? Which should I learn? That's our topic for today. So it's going to be an interesting one. Um this is going to help us to set us up in the right path in which we are going to follow as people that are looking to enter into the cryptocurrency space or into the forex space. So this is going to help us to be able to navigate, help us to define our help us define the path in which we want to follow, in which we want to follow. So sorry, um Olabude, you have your hands raised up. I think that's probably um you wanted to give me a reaction. All right, so we get started. It's going to be a very interesting topic. So yes, so probably it's your first time of joining our Kleinel Masterclass section, and you may be asking yourself, what's Kleinel about? This is your first time you are joining us. Are they just what are they doing? What are they up to? What's Kleinel working towards to? What is kind of all about? What are they here? And what are we here to solve? Which problem are we here to solve? So I'm here to answer your question. Kleinel is an edtech company dedicated to empowering individuals with the knowledge and the skills to understand and navigate the world of Web3 and cryptocurrency. So we are an edtech company that helps you to navigate the world of cryptocurrency and Web3 with enough steps to follow and enough guides. We are here to guide you through the Web3 and the cryptocurrency space. So why China was formed was because of we saw a problem in which there's not really a community where there's a step-by-step guidance on how to navigate the world of Web3 or cryptocurrency or even the Forex world. But there are a whole lot of communities out there that are giving a whole lot of signals, which is signals are not bad, but then you can't enter signals if you don't know what you are doing. If you don't know the application in which you need to enter the signals, then what's not the need of the signals? Or if you just get a signal and you just enter by blindly, that's very wrong. You should always do your research. You should know okay what the person is talking about. You should know okay what how the person analyzes the market and so much more. So that's what kind of solved that problem, and then we brought up the solution that we are going to create a community in which we are going to teach everybody a step-by-step guide on your journey into Web3 and cryptocurrency, and then we're going to make sure that is your journey is seamless and you know how to do these things yourself. You know how to take calls, you know how to make a call yourself, you know how to analyze the charts yourself and get the best results out of it. So I am Ado Nelson. I am the co-founder of Kleinel, and I've been in the crypto space for 5 years plus. So I have an experience in the crypto space. So yeah, that's just a little bit about me. So let's go ahead into our topic today. So before we get started, remember our topic today is crypto versus forex. What's the difference and which should you learn? So before we dive right in, we should also always know the concept of what we are talking about. What is Forex? Who is a Forex analyst? Who is a sports analyst? Or who is a crypto analyst? Anyone? So, who is a Forex analyst? So, a Forex analyst is like a weather forecaster, but for currency markets. We all know who weather forecasters are, but if you don't know who a weather forecaster is, we know that okay, weather forecaster helps to predict the weather condition of a place over a particular period of time. So, who is a forex analyst? A forex analyst is there to predict the currency movements, the market movements of currency pairs over a period of time. So, the job a forex analyst study trends, news, and data to predict how currency pairs might change. So that's who a forex analyst is. Then what does a forex analyst do? What does a forex analyst do? So when I say forex, so forex means foreign exchange. So a forex analyst is someone that analyzes the foreign exchange
You
market.
don't understand now. After you don't go far.
Sorry.
It's more right now.
All right. So sorry about that. All right. So um, I was saying, a forex analyst is someone that studies the foreign exchange market. So forex is a forex analyst um literally analyzes currency pairs like the USDC, the USDC, USD, euro, or British pound in USD, and so much more. So, what does the first analyst do? He studies the market. By studying market, I mean checks the trend. Really, check USD related currency pairs like USD euro, that is EUR slash USD. I have GPB, Great British Pound slash USD. So when you see euro slash USD, it means that your euro is going to be stronger than the United States dollar. If that's what that's what your analysis is. That's what it means. Euro slash USD means that you're saying the analysis on your analysis, you're saying euro is going to be greater than the United States dollar. So a forex analyst studies the markets, then uses technical analysis. Sorry. This is technical analysis. When I mean uses technical analysis, a forex analyst is able to study the charts, spot a chart pattern, that study the chart and spot a chart pattern and knows okay where the market is actually going, where the price is actually going. So and forex analysis, when I mean technical analysis, so there are a whole lot of there are a whole lot of things that under technical analysis. Under technical analysis, we have knowing how to use the chart patterns, knowing how to use your candlestick patterns, knowing how to use your RSI. So these are things you need to learn as a forex analyst, or these are things a forex analyst does. Then what does a forex analyst also do? A forex analyst predicts the opportunity after he has studied the market. He has seen okay the strength which cryptocurrency is having a higher strength. He knows true fundamental analysis by news or by news or by the market structure, or by sorry by real world news, or by how the market structure. He studies the markets. Then he also uses technical analysis. I mean, using your chart patterns, and then using your candlestick patterns to be able to analyze the market. Then after he has done all this, he also then predicts the opportunity. He looks at the market and predicts the opportunity. You to know okay what is going to happen in this market. Is the market about to go up, or is the market about to go down? Then after this, he advises traders, or he takes the trade himself, because a forex analyst also can have also a forex analyst can also work in collaboration with banks or companies in order to help them trade their forex tokens, or to help them trade in the forex market. Most banks in Nigeria, most traditional banks in Nigeria, like your Union Bank, like your UBA, or your Zenith Bank, so much more, they all trade in the forex market. They all trade in the forex market. So who does that for them? Is a forex analyst that helps them to manage their accounts. And then when a forex analyst helps a company to trade, he has a larger pot. When I mean a larger pot, a larger account, in order to take trades and make more profits. And then he has a deal with the bank or the company, or how they can split their profits and together. So a forex analyst can also be working directly with a company or a bank. So and he can also take the trades himself after finish analyzing the trade. So also a forex analyst, if you want to become a forex analyst, you must be willing to sacrifice time. You must have a lot of time on your hands, because you actually need to be on the markets 24 hours a day till the market closes. Because if forex trade actually closes, so you have to be there to be able to analyze it and know what you need to do. So next up, we have who is a sports analyst. So a sport analyst is like a gold trader who studies the market trends to determine when to buy and sell physical gold. But instead of gold, they analyze cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in the spot market, where transactions happen instantly at current market price. So what this means is that a spot analyst is there to analyze a spot crypto analyst because you can do spot analysis in still stocks. So we're talking about spot crypto analysis. A spot crypto analysis is like a gold trader, just like trading of gold stocks. So he analyzes the crypto markets like analyzes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, and then he finds or he looks at which coin or which token or which cryptocurrency is the right one to buy at that particular point. And then when he analyzes the market, he buys this cryptocurrency tokens. So what does a spot analyst do? A spot analyst carries out market research, studies the price trends, blockchain activities of the particular cryptocurrency he wants to do, the news that affects cryptocurrency assets, and also a sports analyst also studies the particular cryptocurrency. When I mean studies the particular cryptocurrency, the partners of that particular cryptocurrency, the use case of that particular cryptocurrency, that's all fall under sorry. He studies the market or the news that's affecting the particular cryptocurrency. Then a spot analyst also carries out technical analysis. Technical analysis, just like I explained with the forex analyst, but then a spot analyst doesn't carry out much technical analysis like the forex analyst. You are meant to have a large amount of knowledge about technical analysis. Then the fundamental analysis for a spot analyst is to know about the project, know about the problem the project is solving in the cryptocurrency space on the real world. They know the partners of the project, they know the volume in which the project has been trading in the past 24 hours, and um so much other things a forest analyst needs to know through fundamental analysis. Then we have risk management. Yes, you must also know how to manage your risks as a sport analyst. Risk management here says means where at which particular point you want to buy, sell, or hold your token. When which token are you comfortable at holding? Which of your tokens are you holding for a long term? Which of your tokens are you comfortable at holding for a short term? So risk management helps you to know the amount of money you are willing to lose in the market so that you won't burn your whole capital, because burn your whole capital in cryptocurrency or wire trading is not the right way for an experienced trader. Yes, the market goes against you sometimes as a sports analyst, but you should also have a strong risk management strategy. So go ahead. Um, the 6 step strategies you need that will help you succeed in trading digital assets. So now the first strategy you have is to identify your paths. Like I explained now, that you identify you want to become a forex analyst or you want to become a sport analyst. So you know what and what you want to do. Then you learn the skills. Learning this, being a forex analyst or being a sport analyst is not just being like that. You have to learn the skills. Learning being a forex and a sports analyst is like learning a tech skill where you have to go for your classes, where you have to read materials to be able to master how to do all these things. You don't just become a forex and a sports analyst one day. It's a continuous process of learning. And you also have practice simulations. So yes, you should also practice what you should do as a forex and a sports analyst. For practice simulation, yes, means you are able to practice in the market using demo accounts for both your cryptocurrency and demo account for both your forex and analysis. So you are able to practice with your demo account so that you can get used to the platforms that you are using or get accustomed to them. Then you have Another one, 6 step strategy. We're still on the 6 step strategy. We have the gain trade psychology and risk mastery. Like I explained earlier, how can you gain trade psychology and risk mastery? One-on-one sections with experts, live trading analysis, navigating financial investments, and mentorship. So for you to be able to gain trade psychology, what you have to do is to um, be able to be in a one-on-one section with experts like how we have now that are educating you on what to do, and then you can be in a mentorship, because mentorship, what mentors help you to do is to help you to cut down the, they will tell you how they lost before, and then you won't be able to make that particular losses again, because as we all know, experience is the best teacher if it's not you. So if you learn from the experience of other people, is way better for you. So then you are going to have, next you have networking and portfolio. So having the right network of people is going to help you to build your portfolio. Portfolio here means account. So having the right set of people that have the same mindset as you, that are fellow sport analysts like you, is going to help you to build your portfolio. Then after doing all this, you are going to definitely become an expert and get another stream of income. So we are currently running a cohort. Our cohort, we are currently running a Forex analyst program, which runs for 2 months with 1 month of learning and 1 month of mentorship. Then the first analyst program, we have the topics are introduction to Forex trading, core trading concepts, MetaTrader 4 integration and navigation, technical, fundamental, and sentimental analysis, support and resistance level, candlestick and chart patterns, leverage, lot size and spread, risk management strategies, advanced trading strategies, Fibonacci levels, pivot points, and Elliott waves, time frames and confluence, how to generate trading signals. So the Forex analyst program that is currently running, that we are going to run, which is going to start on August 3rd. We are going to dive deep down into that. Our cohorts are starting August 3rd. We already have two cohorts that are already running. So you just we are currently having two cohorts that are just running. So the next cohort that is happening is August 3rd. So we're going to dive deep right down into that. Like I said earlier, it's a 2 month training timeline with 1 month of learning and 1 month of mentorship. With our classes on Saturdays by 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, and on Sundays by 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African time. And then the tools that we will be using is MetaTrader 4 trading view, your MetaTrader 5, your Mexi Global, and your Forex Factory. These are the tools we're going to be teaching you on how to use on our codes section. So we also have the sports analyst program that is going to be running for a timeline of 2 months with 1 month of learning and 1 month of mentorship. Then the sports analyst program, the topics are introduction to sports trading on centralized exchange, sport trading on decentralized exchange, staking, yield finance, narratives and research, risk management in trading, risk to reward ratio and position sizing, trading stocks versus trading crypto, trading stocks on traditional markets. And then our classes are holding by 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, and on Sundays by 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African time. And then the tools we're going to be teaching us to use is our CoinGecko, our Dex Screener, our Binance, our CoinMarketCap, and our Bamboo. So we're also going to be teaching us how to trade stocks, because as we all know, trading of stocks is really another way to get another passive stream of income. I mean, the Nigerian stocks exchange market has been doing so well in like 3 weeks right now. Stocks are flying, all the penny stocks are flying, stocks moving 100% in 2 days or 300% in 2 days, or like the Nigerian stock market is really good right now. So we're going to be teaching us how to buy these stocks, how to identify stocks in the Nigerian stock market, and to know what to look out for also. So the classes are going to run from Saturdays by 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, and on Sundays by 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. West African time. So next, how do we position you here for how do we position you for success here at Kanye? why should you register for our course? You may ask yourself, how are we different from um other people? So yeah, Kanye, we believe in an equation that says TS plus TPRM equals to success. When we say TS is your technical skill, and then TPRM is your trading psychology and risk mastery. And with these two skills, with your technical skill and having a trading psychology and risk mastery, you should you should be successful and be able to create passive income. So yeah, Kanye, we're going to teach you how to get these technical skills, and then we're going to teach you how to get the right trading psychology and risk mastery so that you can be able to create a passive income for yourself. So what do we do here at Kanye? Which other perks do we have? So yeah, at Kanye, we have one-on-one section with experts. You can book your live sections with experts if you have communities to act an expert. That's the person that is going to be taking you through your forex analyst program or your sports analyst program. Then we have live trading analysis. Live trading analysis is a section where we actually break down what happened in the markets, what went down in the markets, like how we had Bitcoin pumping and creating a new all-time high. That is going to be in our live trading section. Everybody is going to be in the live trading section where we'll be analyzing the markets together, both in the forex analyst end and the spot analyst end. Then we're going to teach us how to navigate the financial investments. So Clientel is not only here to teach you how to become a forex analyst or teach you how to become a spot analyst, we're also here to teach you how to be financially wise, financially literate, because a whole lot of people are not financially literate. We're going to bring in experts that are going to teach us how to know how to spend our money well, how to save our money, knowing how to be able to delegate any finances that enter into our hands into the right places. Then we are going to also have market rundown, which is going to hold twice every week. Then we're also going to have an alumni community where everybody gets together to help build up that portfolio, because having a people with the same mindset as you helps you to get better. So our next cohort is starting August 3rd. August 3rd is the first Saturday in August. So I'm going to pull up my screen on for our client registration hub on how to um, get and how to register for our cohort. Just give me a moment.
Are you pausing for question or may I know, please?
I'll ask you. Yes, please. You can ask your questions. I'm almost done. Let me just go through. All right.
Okay. The question. Good evening, everyone.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good evening.
I enjoy. My name is Nathaniel. I enjoy the lecture, and I wish I
Okay.
would one day speak like you, because you are the boss now. So let me one day also be like you. I am looking forward to that time.
All
My
right.
question is on the area of between crypto and forex. Uh, what? Why is it that in crypto, if possibly someone is entering the market, and when you are using trading view before you enter into the market, it will give you a positive signal. Then you enter into the market with time. It will get back to, like, let me say I'm using 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame because I've tried to try it on a demo account. It will just flip the other way around. Why is it like that? Even with the trading view, I thought the essence of trading view is to enable one know the market direction. I know the market might not completely have a control, Sha. I may not really have some complete control, but I want to know what else can I do to at least to still come out well because in every trader, I think is success or profit that is coming out for. So, but why is it like that? That even after using trading view is to still go the negative area. Thank you.
So, all right, thank you for the question. All right, that's a very, very interesting question. So, basically, first things first, the truth is that nobody has 100% winning rate as a trader. So, that's there. But, as a trader, everybody should try and get every trader should try and have at least a 70% win rate. So, how can you get this 70% win rate? Is by your technical analysis or your fundamental analysis. While trading crypto is very, very volatile compared to your trading forex. So when you're trading cryptocurrency, you should also be looking at there are things you should also look at because trading cryptocurrency now, most cryptocurrencies they move with how Bitcoin moves. So let's say you made an analysis on a cryptocurrency and you're saying, okay, this cryptocurrency is meant to pump based on your whole analysis on the charts, but then you also forget to um, look at the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis I mean is okay, the news that is happening in the crypto space or what is happening in the world. Let's say there's a case of like how we had the war issue with between Israel and Iran. So like how we had the work issue, right? And then you made your trade, you saw that okay, this coin is supposed to pump, and you ignored the fundamental analysis. That is you're ignoring that there is a war that is happening currently happening, and you're saying okay, you want to enter the trade at that particular point. The thing is meant to hit SL based on your you didn't pay good notice, you didn't pay attention to your fundamental analysis, and then that can also happen is because of your technical analysis is probably you just need a little bit touch on it or to know what more to do while trading technical analysis because technical analysis is a whole lot. There are a whole lot of chart patterns you need to know, but you don't use all of them, but you are meant to know them at least so that when you see them in the chart you can be able to like identify it if it's against you, or even you need to also know your candlestick patterns because candlestick patterns also have their own way of affecting your analysis or your analysis when make your has another way of affecting the price of cryptocurrency when making your analysis. So that's that for the technical analysis. Like I said earlier, no one can also always get 100% in win rates. And using your trading view and not knowing how to use the right do the right technical analysis is not going to help you. It doesn't matter. You cannot just enter trading view and say in your 15 minutes and you don't know what you're analyzing, you don't know what you are doing there. Definitely, you're not going to get the best results out of using your trading view. So yes, that's just that.
Thank you very
So did
much.
that
Thank you very much.
all right. All right, then between a forex analyst, between it being a sports analyst and a forex analyst, when you want to choose which one you want to do, let me just talk about that. You should also before you choose become a forex or a sport analyst, you should know how your schedule is. If you're having a very busy schedule, like you are having a 9 to 5 and you don't have time to always sit down on the chart, I'll advise you to become a sports analyst because being a forex analyst, you must give full dedication to it. When you cannot give full dedication to it is when you're already very good. But when you're learning to become a forex analyst, I promise you, you must give full dedication to it. You must give full dedication to studying the market patterns, studying the chart patterns and everything. But being a sport analyst is just you doing deep research about the cryptocurrency token you want to buy. A lot of people don't know that being a sports analyst is actually very much profitable as being a forex analyst. It's just that most sport analysts just they are not out there. So being a sport analyst can help you build up your portfolio way better because the losses you experience as a spot analyst is not as much as the losses that you experience as a forex analyst. And then being a spot analyst, before you buy any cryptocurrency token, you need to do deep research. When I mean deep research, is not just read about the token. Deep research like the partners of this token. Who are the partners? Is there any major partner? And these partners of this token, what do they do? What are they bringing into the space? And we all know how the crypto adaptation is rising now. So all the partners of this token, are they get to make sure, okay, if crypto is going to be adapted into the mainstream, is this token going to be adapted into the mainstream also? Because there are some cryptocurrency tokens we have right now. When crypto becomes a main adaptation, most of them will die off. So what you are going to do is you are going to be looking for cryptocurrency tokens that will have real use cases in the real world. Like, are they solving the problem of AI? Are they solving the problem of games? Are they solving the problem of st- other stable coins? So that's also being a spot analyst. Being a spot analyst, you're looking at the volume that this particular token had in that particular day. You are looking at who the team members of this token that created these tokens. What have they done in the past? What have they worked on, or where did they come from, their background? So being a spot analyst is also a whole lot of analysis that you have to do. But then this analysis, you can always do them at your free time, unlike a forex analyst that are giving your time into the charts almost 247. But then the forex analyst, being a forex analyst for for currency pairs is the market is only opened 5 times a day. That's 245. That is Monday to Friday. And then a spot analyst, you can also become a futures trader for cryptocurrency, which is open 247. So being a forex and a spot analyst also always depends on who you are, how your work schedule is, how your life schedule is. So you know, okay, which one is going to be comfortable for you and okay for you while you're making money. And then you should have patience also if you want to become a spot analyst. So yes, that's going to help you to know what and what to choose, the paths to go, the paths to choose. All right. So I'm just going to talk about our client registration hub to show us how to go carry out your registration. All right. So this is client registration hub. We have your Instagram or Facebook here. These are our social media handles. You can just go through it and see what you have been building. And then we have your chat with client, where you click on chat with client, and then someone at the back end is going to reply you any question you have about client, what we are. If you need more questions and more clarity, client is here to help you. And then we have get access to our program brochures, what we're offering you in our programs, what we're teaching you. And then we have our programs here. So if you want to make payments, you click on visit store. Sorry, it's currently loading. All right. Okay. So you click on visit store. We are
Yeah,
currently
can you excuse me, please? Can you reiterate? I didn't get the point.
sorry. Sorry, I didn't get you.
Can you please repeat? My network was just breaking up. Can you please repeat it? What you just said last?
Repeat what about the registration.
Yes, yes. I
All
want
right.
to hear what you just said last.
Okay, okay, okay. So this is our client registration hub, like I said. So if you want to make payment for our courses, our programs that are going through, if you want to register for our programs that are going on, so we just click on the client registration hub. The link is sent to the chat box. So we have our Instagram and our Facebook page. So those are our social media handles. Oh, sorry, it's not even showing. Sorry about that. So this is the client registration hub. So we have our Instagram and our Facebook page, which is our social media handles. Then we have chat with client. Once you click on chat with client, You can ask someone any question about client, anything you need to ask about client, someone is going to answer you at the back end. Then we have get access to our program brochures. Whatever you need to know about our programs is right in here. Then when you want to make payments for our programs, you click on visit store. Then when you click on visit store, you'll be brought to this page right here. So now we are currently running a discount for the first 20 people for these new cohorts. Our last cohort, the seats sold out for the first 20 people. So please make sure to make good use of the discount before it gets filled up. Then you have to pay 50,000 naira because the cost runs for 50,000 naira. That is the main price, but currently with discount of the first 20 people is 40,000 naira. So you can also pay in installments, instrumentally, and our installment plan is bi-weekly. So if you want to pay instrumentally, you click on pay in trenches. Okay. Then now you can see what I was talking about. So your first payment is going to be 26,000 naira. Click on secure seats. If you want to pay bi-weekly, you see 26,000 naira for your first payment, and then your other payment is going to be 14,000 naira if you want to pay instrumentally. So you can just click on proceed and then input your full name, input your email address, then you click on proceed. Immediately you click on proceed, let me just do this. Immediately you click on proceed, you select your payment method. If you want to pay through card, if you want to pay via bank transfer, just click your payments and you just make your payments. Please always make sure to input your full name and your email address when making payments, as a link is going to be sent to you immediately your payment is confirmed. So once you are done with that, we send you a program kit on how the program is going to be like. And then our next course is starting August 3rd. So once you make payments now, you just have patience. Then when we start our next course, you join the next course and with us. So yes, that's just all about the payments, how to go about the payments. So that's all for today. Please, if there is any more questions, please can someone ask. If there are no more questions, yes, that will be all for today. All right, guess no more questions. So have a lovely day ahead, and yeah, thank you for joining us masterclass section today. So we meet again next week Saturday.